Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to check your medals on your Pokemon Go account. So at first, just open your phone. And as you open your phone, open the Pokemon Go app from wherever it is located. And as you open your Pokemon Go app, all you have to do is just wait because it takes a time to load because it depends on your internet speed. And as it loads, you're in the space as I am. So just stay at the space and look at the left bottom corner for your profile picture. And as you see it, just click on there. And as you click it, just scroll this down where you can see the medals. And if you got the medals, it will be displayed right here at the space. So guys, that's how you check your medals on your Pokemon Go account. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you back in the next video. Thanks to everyone.